Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video I would really just like to give you a very quick update here. In the previous video I talked about different options that we have. So if you are new or you want to see a little bit of the bigger picture and different scenarios available, take a look at the previous video from today. But here I just would like to give you a quick update. What we're doing here, I just made an Ethereum video as well. What we're doing here at the moment is currently looking like a bullish flag that might break just now. Not really clear yet, no evidence yet, but overall we talked about in the previous video this impulsive move to the upside as a wave 1. We came down here in a 3-wave move, an ABC or a WXY, probably rather a WXY, found support in the reversal area and then started to move up. Could mean that we're now in this 3rd wave. We came all the way up to 24.9k, have failed to break above that, came down then again to the support level. That is the previous high of the wave B here at 24.3k and of the previous wave 1. So it's a key support level that we might just be retesting this for support, and last time we didn't hold it. If we hold it this time, this could be quite bullish, and in the next step we would break above 24.9k. In the next step, I would expect that we go up in this wave 3. That would be in line with my primary expectation, but in no way guaranteed. As you know, in the previous video, we talked about different options that there are. And only if we hold this swing low here of the wave 2 at 23.6k, we can maintain this imminently bullish wave count. If this gets invalidated, it doesn't mean we are suddenly bearish. It just means we need to go to another short-term bullish wave count. Which would probably suggest that this wave 2 here has not been finished, okay? That this was a wave 1, but this in fact was only a wave A, this here a wave B, as it was unable to break above the wave 1, and we're then coming down in a wave C. But for now, as long as this low is holding, we can focus here on higher. Next target for the bulls would be a break above that 24.9k, and then we can expect some resistance in the region between 25,750 and 25,825. If we get above that level, it will make the leading diagonal scenario I explained in the previous video much more unlikely, and also the bearish scenario, a possible WXY scenario, will become less likely, and it would put more emphasis here on my primary expectation, because in this scenario then we are probably going to reach here the $27,200 level, which would be the target for that 3rd wave, that impulsive wave. Short term, you can see if we zoom in a little bit here, you can see that this indeed is looking a little bit like a bullish flag that got the retest done of the previous resistance, now possibly support. We can draw here a descending trend line that, well, you could argue it might have been broken. We have one touch point here, we've got 2 touch points here and another touch point down here. Keep an eye on that one. A break of a trend line is not yet evidence enough, but if we now see a strong move up buy signal like an engulfing green candle, that would be a strong signal. We could push higher, especially with a break above 24.9k. Bear in mind, it's weekend, things are a little bit less predictable, less volume, but on the 1 hour, the MACD is already reversing back to the upside. It will be interesting if we can prevent here a cross above below the 0 line of the MACD level, the MACD line. Here, very, very interesting situation also here. The RSI could make another bullish crossover, so it would depend a little bit on the price action. Pushing that higher will probably lead to a bullish crossover on the RSI, and the preventing of the crossing of the 0 line on the MACD, and that would then possibly lead to a bit more buying action. But it's weekend, it's less predictable, but these are the levels you need to watch out for. Thanks a lot for watching, bye bye.